Hello everyone, I'm Christopher, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to add a functionality to our Vue.to-do application that displays the number of to-do items that are left. So let's head over to our code editor, and we are going to add a data variable here called item left. We are going to give it a value of null for now. Let's save this. Then now we come to our created hook, and we are going to say this dot item left is going to be equal to this dot todos dot length. Let's end this with a semicolon. Save all this. So let's go back to the application, and we can see that the number of items is still equal to 0, and that is because we have created this data variable, but we are not using it in our application. So let's go to our index.html file, and we are simply going to take out this 0, which is a static value, by the way. We are going to use string interpolation, that is the double curly brackets, and we are simply going to write the variable name, so item left. Save all this. Let's go back to the application, and now we can see we have 2 items left. So when I complete this to do item and then I clear completed, so now we see that the 2 items is wrong because it should have been updated. So let's go and fix that. Let's go to our app.js file, and we are simply going to copy this code here, and let's scroll down a bit. So anytime we add a new to do item, we also want to update the number of items we have. So anytime we also remove a to-do item, we want to update the list. And finally, when we clear completed to-do items, the list also has to be updated. So let's save all this, go back to our application, and now we can see we have 1 item left. I'm going to add a few to-do items. So let's have to do 1, or let's say 2, and then we're also going to have to do 3, to do 4, and I'm going to complete to do 2 and 4, so I can filter active, completed, all. And the moment I delete to do 1, we can see that instantly the number of items left has been updated to 3. We delete to do 2, now we have 2 items left. So that is all for this video series, and if you like these videos that I created, I urge you to click on the subscribe button because it helps me create more of these kinds of videos. And if there is anything I left out of any of these videos, I urge you to leave it in the comment section below. Bye for now.